Moving on now, BJP Chief Amit Shah is on a 3-day tour of Kerala as part of his efforts to strengthen the party and also make it a possible potent force in the upcoming 2019 Lok Sabha elections. In fact, Amit Shah has landed in Kochi and he's scheduled to chair several party meetings and will also be seen interacting with a few bishops in the state as part of his ongoing efforts to win over a section of Christians. The community accounts for 18 to 20% of votes in the southern states. The BJP is also trying to cozy to the Kerala Congress that enjoys substantial following amongst the Christian community. Amit Shah's visit comes against the backdrop of the controversial public slaughter of a calf by youth Congress workers and protests against the centre's new notifications on the ban over the sale of cattle for slaughter. But the BJP, however, maintains that his tour should not be linked to the incident as it was scheduled a long time ago and is part of his organization building exercise for the party.
Amit Shah's visit to Kerala begins here from Kochi. Amidst a very traditional Kerala welcome, Amit Shah starts his trip, and what is important is what he'll be discussing with the senior leaders here in the BJP, because not only they're looking at strengthening the party here, they're coming at a time when the controversy regarding the beef has just been raging. It has been literally boiling over. He will have to face some tough questions from people here in Kerala, but at the same time, what will be seen is how the BJP will be now talking about their stand on one, the beef issue, and number two, also how the BJP will be strengthening their party here. He'll be holding talks with very senior leaders from the minority committees as well as the NDA's participants that they have here. He'll be also going to Trivandrum. But Amit Shah's visit is extremely important, and the timing also is now seen as something that which the BJP will be possibly, either it can go either way. Either it will help them in the state, or it may show that the BJP, who have been saying that all is well as of now in Kerala, especially when it comes to do with the issue that has been raised on slaughtering of animals and cruelty to animals, whether that may go against them or go for them. Srimati Rohini Swami in Kochi for India Today.
Okay, Deputy Editor Rohini Swami is with us now for more on the visit of Amit Shah to Kerala. Rohini, the BJP President's visit to the state assumes much significance. It comes in the backdrop of the Chief Minister of the state actually leading the agitation and fiercely criticizing the centre's cattle notification.
Well, Avantika, right now, yes, that is because, see, the thing is that the entire controversy regarding beef has actually boiled over so much that it's almost like the entire state of Kerala versus the BJP. We are right now following the bike rally that has been taken out for Amit Shah here. And this is also a way of show of solidarity that the BJP is doing to show that all is well in the state. And as they lead Amit Shah to the government guest house, where he'll be holding very important meetings from 12 o'clock. These meetings include, along with his NDA partners, also senior BJP leaders will be there. They'll be discussing one strategy for the BJP in Kerala. They have an extremely important seat. They've already opened their account here in Kerala, which is interesting. But they would now like to be a formidable force. And they say that they want to replace the Congress here in Kerala, because we all know that the anti-incumbency factor always has played out in Kerala politics with the LDF and the UDF. Now they want to say that they want to replace the UDF with the BJP for the next elections. Number two, they're also looking at strengthening the RSS as well as the Shakhas here. Kerala has one of the maximum number of Shakhas in the country. And apart from that, they've also seen in terms of the booth levels also the registrations that need to be increased. These are some of the factors that will be discussed apart from the strategy as to how the BJP can be innovative in the state of Kerala. Because one thing we need to know is in the entire south, apart from Karnataka, it is only Kerala that the BJP can now look at, as of now, immediately look at making its stronghold. Number three, which is also could be the number one point of priority, is the issue regarding beef. Because he has come at a point of time when the centre has come up with the amendment. And now we need to see how he will be answering questions, because he'll be meeting senior minority leaders from all communities and discussing about it. So he will have to answer some tough questions on what the stand of the centre is and of the NDAs when it regards to food and right to food.
All right, Rohini, I'll keep coming back to you for now. Thanks so much for getting us up to speed with all the details and updates on Amit Shah's visit to the state of Kerala.